Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how's everybody doing? Wanted to apologize. All my videos this month, I'm sure you've noticed, are going to be a little bit later than they normally are. I had some family in town last week, so I wasn't able to film. So yeah, everything's just going to be a little bit late. I know you guys don't care, you understand, but in case you're wondering where I've been, I was last month saying, oh, I don't know if I want to do this anymore, and then now my videos are late, but no, I'm still here. Just had some things going on. Anyways, today we're going to be opening up our Birchbox for July 2021. This is a $15 a month subscription. In here we should have between like 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup samples. Sometimes full size, but normally sample sized. If you're new to my channel, I'm a cruelty-free YouTuber. So if anytime while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, during editing, I will do all the research, all that, and have it on the screen for you right here, as well as the estimated sample size value. So I will do the math, figure out the value of the item. Oh, hi Bronx. Oh, Bronx just came in the room. Now you can see his tail back there. I'm sorry. He's playing with the toy. There he is. I don't even know what I was saying, Bronx. You got me all confused. And then he leaves. But yeah, I don't know what I was saying. I don't think it was important. Let's just go ahead and open up this box. Alright, so once you have the box opened up, it looks like this, which is very different than it normally is. Normally there's a little cardboard box in here, but for some reason I have this thing. This little card right here has the theme for the month, which is less is more. And on the back side, it has the full-size values of everything we're getting, so I will be sure to mention that as well. All right, let's just see what this is. So there's this like mesh bag thing, which I don't understand. Maybe it's like for the beach or something. Like, I don't know what this is. Let me read the card and see if it gives us some info. Okay, so it says, P.S. Show us how you're reusing your mesh bag on the Instagram for a chance to be featured. So yeah, it's just a reusable mesh bag. To me, it honestly looks like something you would take to the beach. Like put your sunscreen, your chapstick, things like that. I don't really like it personally, and I'd rather just have no box or no bag than this, but maybe somebody loves it, just not me. Okay, let's just go ahead and start pulling things out of here. Okay, so this first thing I'm pulling out is from Purlisse, which is cruelty-free. This is the Youth Glow Vitamin C CC Cream with SPF 50. Here's the packaging. Mine is in the shade, I don't know if there is a shade. Oh, light medium, which is pretty much what I normally wear, so that's great for me. I don't particularly want to open this up because they tend to like explode all over the place, but oh yeah, here it comes. Okay. I was able to get some on my hand. Okay, so there's the shade just on my hand. It is a little bit lighter than I am, but it should, I think CC creams just like blend in. I'm not sure. Okay, so it blended in decently. Like, it is definitely light, and it has a white cast. I don't know if you can tell, but here's my other hand for reference. I don't really wear CC creams, and I think they're for, like, color correcting. Am I right? CC stands for color correcting? Yeah, color correcting, brightening, age-defying. Typically, it's not something I struggle with, but I'll probably use this. I mean, it's pretty light. Good for summer, I guess, if I'm going to wear something this transparent, like summer's the time to do it, I guess. I'll give it a go. Let's get a full-size value. So full size is $38. I don't know. Does anybody here wear a CC cream? Is it worth that to you? Let's go ahead and pull out the next thing. The next thing I see right here is not cruelty-free. This is from Davina's. There's the packaging. This is the Solu shampoo. It is a clarifying solution shampoo for all hair types. Shampoo, oh, sorry, the rest is in a different language. I was just going to start reading French or something. Like I said, they're not cruelty-free. It smells like a clean shampoo. I'll go ahead and just pass this on to somebody else, though. Pretty decent sized amount for a shampoo, I'd say. I mean, when you're like me and you don't wash your hair that often, this could last you like a couple months. I wash my hair like once a week, okay? Full size, $29. I don't think I would pay that for a shampoo. Maybe, probably not. Okay, let's just go ahead and pull out the next thing. This is from Real Chemistry, which I believe is cruelty-free. This is the Environmental Rescue Rich Cherry Lip Peel, which I don't know what that means. Okay, so it says, using the needle nose tip, apply a thin line of peel on top and bottom lip, massage about 1 minute to ensure that all of the product has combined with as much excess lip tissue as possible and that no peel has been wasted. Rinse with warm water, gently cleanse the lips and surrounding tissue. Rinse again with cool water. I don't think I'm going to use that. I don't think we need to be peeling our lips. That's just bizarre to me, and I don't want to peel my lips off. So I think you could just use an exfoliator on your lips if you had concerns about, dead skin, wear moisturizer on it. But I don't think you need a lip peel. Again, let me know if you've tried something like this. This is full size is $34. That's ridiculous. No. Okay, moving right along. Next thing I have is from Jwara, which I've never heard of this brand. This is the Candle Nut Body Cream. It does say it's cruelty-free on the back. Here is the packaging. It's pretty simple. I'm not going to use this. I know I've mentioned before in other videos recently, I've developed issues with fragrance lately, particularly lotion. Like, I can wear a perfume just fine. I don't know, perfume doesn't bother me, oils don't bother me, but any lotion with fragrance, I immediately have to either wash it off or take a Claritin. Like, I can't do the fragrance in lotions anymore. I can't do like fabric softeners or scented fabric laundry soap. So I just don't want to chance it with this. I mean, I know it's really tiny. I could probably use it on my hands. My hands don't seem to be a sensitive area for me. It's just everywhere else, really. So I'm going to use this for like hand lotion. I don't even know what candle nut is. Let's get a scent, I guess. I could just keep this and use it for hand lotion, I suppose. Okay. It says it's inspired by Bali. So it is like a thick cream. It's not a lotion. It smells nice though, honestly. Whatever candle nut is, I kind of like it. Like a nice clean scent. It feels like something I've smelled before, but I can't quite put my finger on what it is. But it definitely like reminds me of something from Bath & Body Works. I haven't used their stuff in years because they're not cruelty free, but like it takes me back to like 7th grade or something. I don't know what that scent is, but not a bad scent. All right, and we have one last item. This last item is from Mega Babe, which is cruelty free. This is the Space Bar, a detoxifying charcoal underarm bar. Packaging is really, really cute. A big fan. If you've never heard of a detoxifying charcoal underarm bar, this is not like a new concept. Basically, if you use deodorant that has aluminum in it and you switch to a natural deodorant or one that is aluminum free, there's like a phase. And that phase is not a good time. I remember when I switched to natural deodorant, I'm like, I don't know how people do this. I feel wet all the time. I was sweating so much, but after a while, your body just gets used to it, and now, like, it's fine. It's no big deal at all. But they say that when you're doing that swap, you need to, like, do this on your underarms because it helps. I don't know. I don't know the science behind it, but I know they say to use this while your body's getting used to being without the aluminum deodorant. So I'm not going to use that because I'm already past that phase. But if you're thinking about swapping, look into one of these. Doesn't have to be this brand, but it's just something. I don't know. I know I've read about it in the past. I did not do that when I switched. I just suffered for like 2 weeks, and then one day your body's like, oh, this isn't so bad, and now you like just don't really sweat. I mean, I still sweat, but in the beginning, it was just like I would just exist and my armpits would be wet. Anyways, now that you know about all my armpit issues, the full size of this is valued at $8, which I don't think is bad, honestly. I feel like I've spent that on a really good bar of soap before, and this is like a, charcoal one, and charcoal ones are a little bit more pricey, so there's that. Okay, so that's everything we got in this month's Birchbox. Overall, not a fan. The only thing, Okay, let's go over this one by one. The charcoal bar soap thing, I think is good. I would use that if I hadn't already detoxed my armpits. This, not gonna use, not cruelty free. The lip peel thing, I think is a gimmick. Don't think you need it. Just use your regular exfoliator that you use on your face, on your lips. It's all skin. That's just what I would be doing. I don't want that. The lotion is really good if you can use fragrances. Like, I think that's a good, you know, a good thing to get. Although this is very, very tiny and this is a body lotion. I don't think this would cover my entire body. And then the CC cream. Not big into CC creams. Never tried one. I will try that. I actually have tried a CC cream and I didn't like it. So maybe that's why I'm just like blocked it out. But anyways, CC creams are not something I'm typically into, but I'll give this one a try. So overall, this really wasn't a great box. I don't think Birchbox in general is like a great box for 15 bucks. But that's just me. But now it's time for you to let me know right down there in the comments if you get this box. Let me know if you enjoyed it and what you thought of my box. I know that these boxes are all the same, but I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions. If you think this is a good box, is it worth 15 bucks? To me, not so much. Alright guys, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, hopefully more stuff coming soon. I think August is definitely when I'm going to start making some changes on this channel. But if you want to see all that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. There will be dogs eventually. I know you saw one for like a split second, but once I'm able to go in my normal filming area, there's, you know, dogs behind me if you want to see them. Anyways, I'm all done. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.